SciENcv is a free profile service that is part of My NCBI, offered by the National Institutes of Health. This video focuses on special features in SciENcv that help you quickly create and maintain NIH-approved biographical sketches, which must be used for proposal submission. Complete instructions are available on the NIH's Grants and Funding website for the Biographical Sketch Common Form. See the link in the instructions section. Let's get started on the SciENcv homepage. To log into SciENcv, you might want to link to an existing account or create a new account. Instructions are in the My NCBI help documentation on our bookshelf. In the section called Logging into My NCBI. I'm now logged into a mock account and I'm on the SciENcv main page. If you have more than one document, you will see a list here. I'll click New Document. Give the document a name, select the format type, and create the document using an existing source such as ORCID, a previously created SciENcv document, or, as I will do, start with a blank document. The first section provides a summary of the NIH Biographical Sketch Common Form, information on the disclosure requirements, a reminder about personal information, and a link to the complete preparation instructions. Scrolling down the page, you have 4 sections: identifying information, organization, and location, professional preparation, appointment and positions, and products. Next is the NIH Biographical Sketch Supplement, which includes personal statement, honors, contributions to science, certification, and Privacy Act and Burden Statement. I'll go back to Professional Preparation and select the Add Professional Preparation button. You see several required fields marked by red asterisk. These include organization, city, country, state, or province, degree, field of study, and the start and end dates. To complete the form, select either Save and add another entry, or Cancel. Next is Appointments and Positions. It requires checking the box if it is your primary appointment or position. The required fields are appointment or position title, name of organization, city, country, state, or province, start date, and end date if applicable. Let's look at some editing options. Starting with identifying information, organization, and location, you have an edit link where you can add or edit required information, and at the bottom of the pop-up, add or update your ORCID ID. To update, select the delete icon, then add the new ORCID link. Note that linking your ORCID ID is required. Some sections, such as professional preparation and appointments and positions, have edit and delete options for each row of information. The products section, which is linked to your My Bibliography collection, has additional edit options. If you have not added any products, you will see a button, Select Related Product. Use that to add products. Otherwise, select Edit Products, then Add Product to add citations from PubMed. If your ORCID account is linked to My NCBI, ORCID citations will sync in this section. For help checking or linking your accounts, please refer to the My NCBI help documentation we saw earlier, and the section Adding a Partner Organization as Login option to an existing My NCBI account. The final section, NIH Biographical Sketch Supplement, contains the personal statement, honors, and contributions to science. In contributions, you have the additional edit option to reposition the contributions up or down. At the bottom of the document is certification and the Privacy Act of Burden Statement. If you want to review a draft PDF prior to certification, use the View Draft link next to the Download PDF button. These options are also located at the top of the document. Select Download PDF and certify. This PDF must be used in proposal submissions. Finally, note that anyone with a My NCBI account can create SciENcv documents on your behalf. Go to Account Settings by selecting your My NCBI username at the top of the page. Here, you can add delegates to manage your profiles, and they can be assigned independently for SciENcv and for My Bibliography. We welcome your feedback and questions. For NIH SciENcv technical questions, please email the NIH Service Desk at nlmscienceCV@mail.nih.gov. Policy-related questions should be directed to NIH Biosketch@nih.gov.